Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can simply change your existing password in your Windows. So, without wasting your time, let's start this video. First, click on your Windows icon, then go to Setting from here, and then go to Account. In Account, go to this option, Sign In option, and go to Password. So you can see in here your account password is all set up sign into Windows. So I'm going to click on change. You need to give your current password and then click on next. So my password is correct, so I have a new option for new password. So give your new password. I give my new password. And you need to give password hint. So this is my password hint and click on next and click on finish. So my password is changed successfully. When you restart your computer, then you can sign in with this new password. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video and like something new. Please subscribe this channel for more upcoming interesting videos.